What is up, guys? I am back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be playing some zombie attack. Guys, four voters there? Well, let me join. 7 voters? Yeah, I'll come. Yes, okay. Y'all, ooh, I got Uzi? Let's do this. Y'all like my little, background? It's a little cool. But I got this Uzi. I should be cool. It's out of my background. Wait, what? Hey! I don't know how to play this. Oh, this Uzi is good. Where's the mother zombies? Oh my gosh. Where do they keep coming from? Oh my god. What does this red zombie do? Easy to kill. I just gotta stay in one place to kill him. Oh, you might need a little help there, man. I help you from the back. Take me on. I'm on wave 2. They probably on wave 1 because they didn't even kill. I don't know why, but they be. Why do I have another Uzi on the side of me? Oh, what is this? This is a mummy. This is a mummy. Get away from me. It's mummy. Why is this mummy walking like that? How much mummies? Okay. Can I shoot over there? Oh. Oh. Oh, I thought a grenade. Hey, take that! Oh, went back there. It's too far. What is this? A knife. I'm not even shooting. They shooting, doing the work. Yeah. Hope I can get a lot of levels on this. Yeah, and we're getting a lot of levels. Well, I'm only on wave 3. I'm on level 33 though. You gotta get more levels up than 33. Zombie and slime. Why is slime like slime has a lot of health? Hopefully it's a boss in here. Hopefully it's a boss in this game. I never played this in a long time. I know what to do, but I never played it in a long time. Oh. Took that. Oh. With one shot? What? Say what? Okay. Huh? What?
Sit on the pillow. No, sit on it. So the camera can actually see. See, now the camera can see.
Okay.
Oh. Hi, go sub to me. I'm his brother. Go sub.
I just walked all the way through and why is it a wall right there? I thought we can walk across this whole thing. Why is this zombie so far? Do y'all think I could type something? I'm sorry. Ooh. Get the... They don't see me. Wave cleared. Yes, he does see me. Well, I'll just shoot you real fast. Oh, a lava zombie. That's good. Oh, I love zombie horror. Kill him. A big lava zombie over here. Y'all think I have enough time to type? Nope. Nope. You ain't getting me. Not anymore. Okay. Can I kill that? What is that? Oh, lava zombie. A tank zombie? That's a tank? You got a tank in on? Y'all know what I mean. I take a tank shoot. Hey, I don't need no help. Why is this girl shooting at me? I'm going to get that grenade. Oh my god. Why do these grenades like... Oh my gosh. I'm like... as I was saying... Why do these grenades... stay in the sky? Like, for real. Hurdle. Oh. Oh. Get out of here. Run. What? Okay. Oh. Oh my gosh. Why are these zombies so fast? Why are these zombies so fast? Like, look how much health I'm at. I only have little health. Well, not really that much little, but my health is going up. If I could just shoot these two down, Susie is good though. I'm not lying. This Susie is real. I'm about to go get it. No! Leave me alone! You drop some? No. Can you drop some? I'm not even pressing nothing. Hold on, let me put a hand up. I'm not even pressing nothing. Here we go. Come on. I need to make it. Oh my gosh! No, 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 no. No way. I just wrapped around, like, zombies. Ooh, ooh, y'all saw that hurdle? I like that. I like that. I like that hurdle. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was a zombie or something. Why is this girl staying up there? I'm just shoot. No. I was just running away. Now I'm shoot. I'm gonna wave 8. Why do these zombies do that? Like they Hulk smash. They boom! Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. My Uzi just went through this wall. Is this thing fake? Why is it killing people? Does it hurt or something? I mean, what? Oh, I got a new sword. Kiki, do you love me? Are you ready? See another lives from beside me, 'cause I want you. Okay, let me sing it. Before I sing die. While I'm singing, I'ma die. That's just a zombie. Come on anywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Where's that zombie? Oh, we come through there. I'm hide. Through this corner, right here. Oh! Boy, that scared me. Invisible zombie? That's how I'm exposed. Exposed. Wait, how do I get up there? It has to be a way. Oh my gosh. It has to be a way that we can get up there. No, stop running into stuff. Oh. Looking at the demon. 2 demons. Wow. Hey, I'm taking that demon real fast. Can I take that demon? I'm gonna shoot him out. Hey, I killed that demon. Get it. Yeah, I got that. Even though if you killed it, I still took the bottle. That's what I'm saying. I didn't even shoot it that way. Come on. Pull your Uzi out. Pull your Uzi out. I'm gonna... Ooh, he scared me. Don't look at me like that. Don't scare me. I'ma kill you. Oh, well, not kill. Not kill, but... Like, not kill, but like... Just shoot at you. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just play around with these zombies. Whoop! Bye-bye. Have a good time. Have a good time. Ooh. This boy froze or something? This boy Elsa or something? Come on. Grenade. Oh, get out of here. One shotter. Ooh. She took that a lot. Oh, let me get that. Boom! Peace out, y'all. I'm speeding. Okay. Should I stop speeding? Shoot. Get out. Oh. Pull your dang Uzi out. Pull your Uzi out. That's what I need more, my Uzi. Because I like that Uzi. I like that Uzi. That Uzi, that Koozie, that Moozy, that Lucy. Oh! Wham. Huh? Oh, gosh. How come you... How much space do you have? 15. Huh? 15. Yeah, like 2 more minutes. Come on, jump out. Oh my gosh. Why are they killing me? Oh, I'm killing them. Can I take that real fast? Thanks. Oh, I like that. Take that. Oh. Oh. I thought that was a demon. I got those demons. I'm fighting those demons. Come on. Come on. Ooh, what is that? Did I find a break?
1 more minute.
Did I find a break? Hopefully I did. Ooh, run, 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 run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Whoa, oh! Back to start your outro. What? Do your outro. Huh? Outro. It's over?
It's possibly.
That's the end of this. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love y'all, man. Peace. Oh my gosh. The boss! The boss! Oh my gosh. Where's the boss? Where's the boss? Oh, where is the boss? Huh? Huh? Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll